You can open it.
Wow. Frosty got me a really cool thing.
Wow. You know what that is, right?
But we'll find out. Look!
Ooh, Brandon, what'd you get?
It's got what we sent Gavin! Brand's got what we sent Gavin!
Does it?
Yes!
Are you sure?
I think so.
Let's see. It's still working on it.
Brand's like, oh look. Brand likes it. This is so much fun.
It's so much fun.
Brand can attack it.
Attack it.
What is it?
It's the same thing we sent Gavin!
It is.
I'm gonna look for more presents that's it. For me, Dad.
It's for you, Randon. It's a Thomas thing.
Does this say Randon?
It says Randon.
Here's a present for you, Randon. Okay. My Rand's got a present for
Brandon.
I'm gonna go lie down next layer.
Yeah.
Does this present say me?
It says Lauren for Mrs. Claus.
For Mrs. Claus?
Mrs. Claus got that
Mommy,
for you.
this is from Mrs. Claus.
Wow.
Keyboard.
You got a Lil Einstein's keyboard.
Ooh.
I got a jewel bear. I got this one wanted.
Wow.
It's a purple jewel bear.
Wow. That's your favorite color.
This is what I wanted, Dad, a jewel bear.
With extra stamps.
Wow, cool. There's extra stamps. Hilarious.
Does Lil Einstein's turn on?
I think it needs batteries. Keyboard. Does this say Randon?
It says Randon.
Here's a present for you, Randon.